What's going on, guys? Kyle Persley here, digital marketing consultant, agency owner, and coach. And in this video, I'm going to talk about more about content calendars, why you should use them, some different tools. And honestly, guys, it took me a little while to find a pretty good template online. So with this being said, this is not my template. I didn't create this. Okay. So just bear with me in this. And then it was the best one I found online to help you all succeed. Guys, you all should know too that I myself need to become better at using these content calendars. And the reason why, okay, let's start with why. First off, it gives you consistent content to bring out into your brand. The more content you get out there, it's like planting seeds online for the long term. Don't expect immediate results. And honestly, don't even do it for the money. It's not even about that. It's about giving. Become more of a giver than a taker. And the more you give, obviously, the more you comes in return, right? So like even with me making this video, in the long run, it may help someone. Am I expecting to make money off this video I'm making? No, but it's not about me. It's about the cause and helping other people grow, right? So, long story short, guys, content calendars save time, keeps you efficient, and also consistent, efficient and consistent, right? So, when you're doing, you can continually put out posts, and a great way to do this is having a content calendar. So, I'll show you some different ideas that I found online, and in the um, description of this video, I will include a few links. You all can make a copy of it and simply download it to your computer and you can implement it yourself. So here's some templates. I'll go ahead and share my screen here in a second. I'm going to make sure I have the right ones open first and kind of work our way down. So I have about um, four different things I'm going to show you. All right, so first of all, let's share the screen. There you go. Share your screen. Stop. Oh, did not share the right screen there. Let's go back. Perfectamundo. I'm going to condense myself just a tad there. Okay, and we're here. So this is just a content calendar template that I found. First off, super basic, right? What I like about this is that they even kind of gave me every single month so I can continue to make copies of it. And as you can see, there's just basic days. And with each specific day, you can have specific types of content that can repeat. So like, for example, Monday motivation, tip Tuesday, woman crush Wednesday, right? Like, remember how like in school, maybe you post your woman crush Wednesday? Well, maybe you have a warrior Wednesday or something that maybe that you're doing with your brand to become more fit mentally and also physically. Just some examples there. Everyone knows about Throwback Thursday, Thirsty Thursday, Flex Friday, Follow Up Friday. A lot of these things, what you can do is continuing to kind of be creative in what I'm saying, kind of implement on what I'm giving you. And what you can do from there is create content ideas off of that. So, people have different problems. You can give out different tips. You can aggravate people's problems. You can do transformational leadership posts and in order to continue giving value, right? So having a content calendar lets you know when you want to post them. You can have a checklist. You can have general notes. And as you can see, there's other assets that you can use. And this goes all the way, all year round, as you can see. On the very bottom of it, you can see January all the way to December. It's good stuff. So let me move on to the next one. I like this basic blog calendar because it even shows you how to use the calendar as well. I like the notes that's in there. Let's see if I can find them. I could be wrong. I could be on the wrong asset though. It might be the next one that I show you guys. I think this one's straight to the point though. It's a basic blog calendar template, right? So here's all of which days, headlines, keywords that you want to put in, because here's the thing, a blog typically goes on your website, and creating content, by the way, is going to help you out with search engine optimization anyways. So as you create more content and fresh content, you become better friends with Google. So long story short, guys, that's why content creation and also using these are great as well. I just kind of slipped my mind there. But yeah, Monday, not Monday, all the different months, different days, headlines, just different assets you can create there. It's a one stop shop or one hub to basically check things out. And guys, like I think another good idea too is when you're having a calendar and you can even make this public to people, for your brand that's consistently getting updated, especially if you have like Tip Tuesdays, people can actually look forward to you posting those posts, or whether it's an email newsletter. So it's like you're honestly, it's like an online newsletter if you can do this correctly. Okay, I think this next one has what I'm looking for. There it is. So there's the how to use the template. So this is another advanced one. As you can see, you can import links, different colors. I'm just kind of giving you a quick overview of all this stuff. Um, I love the funnel stage one because when you're marketing on Facebook, for example, you have cold traffic, warm traffic, hot traffic as an example, and those could be, different types of content for different types of people, right? Team members, SEO, content, timeline. I love that. That's really cool. Content ideas, like I said, make a list of it and all that good stuff. Keyword research, volume, difficulty. And here's exactly what I was looking for. I could not find this. I kept going to each one of these assets and literally couldn't find it. So I'll just kind of read this. I found this from CoSchedule, by the way. It's not, I don't own this. I did not create this. It's something I found. It just took me a little while to find a specific template. So here are some simple instructions to help you use it more effectively. The content calendar tab. So if we go back here, we're going to go into the content calendar tab. So this is the calendar tab. And what does it say? The tab is used to plan each piece of content you'll publish all year round. Each column is self-explanatory. If you have campaigns or themes for your content, use the upper portion to plan each one. You can also define your color coding here. If you don't need this portion, feel free to delete or simply for simplicity's sake. So keeping it easy to use. And the next one is content ideas. Use this to build backlog of content ideas. You can generate tons of ideas quickly by spending 10 minutes writing down as many ideas as you can think of. Spend another 10 minutes scoring those ideas on a 3-point scale. So probably 1 being bad, 3 being awesome, or vice versa. Putting your ideas on 3 calendar. These are your best ideas. Okay, cool. If you have another ideation process, feel free to rename those. And then with keyword research, if you're running an SEO driven strategy, store keyword research data, put those ideas here. So it's kind of cool, right? So you're improving your efficiency, right? Efficiency and consistency. So good times, right? So another thing I found too, guys, when you're posting on different social media platforms, you have to have different measurements. So feel free to check this out as well. This is something I just grabbed from Google, nothing too crazy. Profile cover, images, videos, and other things as well, right? So as you're creating your content, you can simply go to this as a reference. And I even have a pretty cool software that I found too. I'll do an overview of this maybe later, but I was trying to figure out if I was going to record this video on a screenshot monitor or not, or Zoom. And I like Zoom better because I can just share and then have this cool little format going on. But maybe I could have done it with I don't know. But anyways, as you can see, there's different social media posts when you sign on to Snappa. You have blogging, infographics, headers, banners. By the way, this is under created graphics. So when you get there, you can do that, and you can literally save your graphics too. I'll show you a couple of cool examples. This one's pretty good. So this is a link I used to help out with one of my agencies called Annuities and Autopilot, where we help life insurance brokers and financial advisors out with getting more clients, right, in regards to their retirement and things in that nature. So anyways, long story short, guys, I was able to create this by simply getting a template and working through it and also resizing it for a great post. So on, it looks like 1200 628p. So if we go back to our social media post, maybe there's something close to it. So images for Facebook. I know I posted this on Facebook. I don't know if I posted it anywhere else though, but I just remember that. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. We talked about different assets. Like I said, I'll link those in the comments so you all can use them. And then from that point, you guys can take that and implement it as your own, as my quick little walkthrough. I hope you all enjoyed it. And also we talked about different sizing and content and why a content calendar is important. Again, it's a matter of consistency, efficiency, and not getting stuck on ideas and staying organized. And honestly, I forgot too that when you're publishing more content, you can actually grow with SEO. So search engine optimization. So when people are searching online for specific keywords, you can come up on that and they'll find your blog article or social media. And then therefore they can actually check out your site, check out your stuff, and maybe they'll schedule a call with you. But remember, guys, it's all about helping these people out find specific resources and not about the money. They are planted seeds, and as you you know put more content out, you're actually watering your brand and your seeds to grow into something amazing. So as you create more content, it makes more assets to share with people. So guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Want to make this short, quick, and simple and easy like I do always. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Thank you so much.